Hey guys, this is 2026. Happy New Year to all of you who have joined us on the channel this year. And we would like to continue this association for the rest of our lives where you all optimize your credit cards and absolutely make bonkers redemption over and over and over again. This is Professor Card's English channel. We are here to help you out in making the best credit card decisions. And on the 1st of January, actually speaking, there is a banger offer from Qatar Airways' Indusind Bank Visa Infinite credit card. This card has been one of the hot favorites amongst all the mile collectors till now. But till 31st January 2026, there is an offer where you can get 20,000 more Avios on your new or upgraded credit card. Now, there are a few things which are not clear because on the Indusind Bank's website, it has not been updated yet. But it is going to be by tomorrow and we are going to clear everything out. Just follow me on Professor Card's handle on Twitter and you will be updated amongst everything. So let's talk about this card. And as you can see on the Qatar Airways website, you can actually see that you can earn up to 56,000 bonus Avios in your first year. And let me tell you why this is, because additional bonus Avios, initially it was only 20,000, now they are giving 40,000 as a bonus Avios on payment of your joining fees and spending 5,000 rupees in the first year. And as you can see, there are a few important things such as the Avios you collect on the POS transactions and international destination, which is there, that is 6 per 200. 5 Avios booked on the website of Qatar and their mobile app, 5. 3 Avios on eligible domestic and international transaction, 1 on utilities, education, government and insurance. So I'll tell you a very interesting use case for this card if you're interested. By the way, this card comes in a metal format and it is absolutely stunning to see this card in your hand because I have seen a few and they are absolutely gorgeous. Apart from that, it has a milestone benefit of 18,000 bonus Avios on your first cumulative spending of 8 lakh and on the next you again get 18,000. So if you get this card before 31st as per these terms and conditions, you can earn up to 76,000 Avios in the first year only. And the trick here is utilities, education, government spends and insurance, which is generally excluded by other banks. But on this card, you get 1 Avios as well, plus you get the milestone benefits. That is why if you have high insurance spends or government transactions, education spends and utilities, you can actually hit this 8 lakh and you can easily achieve 58,000 Avios in the first year only. Apart from that, you have a forex markup charge of 1.5% at the preferred international destinations. Otherwise, it is 2% for normal forex charges. 2 complimentary visit to international and domestic lounge every quarter, 2 complimentary meet and greet services at leading international airports, travel health insurance worth 25,000 US dollars, and access to concierge service, elderly care, assist, fuel surcharge waiver, and much more. This is basically the card which will have a very good redemption on its card if you are interested in the Avios reward points. And just to help it out, you have to understand that I have already made a Avios tutorial around a year back, which is here on my Hindi channel. So if you're interested, just go on to that. You can see how much actually you have to spend and to get these good redemptions on using the Avios cards. Plus, Avios in itself is an ecosystem where you can transfer Avios between Finnair, you can transfer Avios from British Airways, Qatar Airways. These all Avios are same. So your Avios, 58,000 Avios on this card actually means 58,000 Avios on British Airways and 58,000 Avios on Finnair. You just have to transfer them. It's a very simple process. I have already demonstrated it over here. Plus, 58,000 Avios or 40,000 Avios for that means will give you 1 return ticket to Finland from Delhi if you are interested in going to. So it makes one of your, if 2 people are going, 1 can definitely go for free. That is how good the value of the Avios are. Especially with this offer, it does make a lot of sense and you should consider going for this card if you have these education, government and other spends. The renewal bonus, the fees for the first year is 10,000. For the next year, it is 5,000, but you only get 5,000 bonus Avios points. So for next year, you have to consider whether to keep this card or whether not to keep this card. Generally speaking, it doesn't make a lot of sense for the next year, but for the first year, absolutely it makes a banger of a sense. What I'm going to do, I'm going to tell you a trick because you are at the end of the video. So generally, it is a high-end card because the eligibility is a bit high. So what you can do to get this card if you are not eligible? So what you need to do is you need to get an Indusind Bank's normal credit card with a good limit. So I'll put up a link in the description. You can just click and apply for any of the Indusind card, and Indusind will offer you to generally split your limit and get a new card, which is very easy to get. So if you are interested in an Indusind Bank credit card, you can use it from the link below. Get your card now and then apply for this. But if you are sure that you are going to get this card meeting the eligibility and everything, you can definitely wait for this and then apply for this card. What other benefits? You don't have actually any other benefit what we have just explained. But one thing, the website is not yet updated. It is supposed to be updated by tomorrow. That is 2nd of this month. Plus the benefits we just told is like that only. You don't get anything else after than that. And I think it's a good card for at least for the first year. You can definitely use this for your benefit. Apart from that, the Professor Cards channels, the member only videos are live, which is a collection of videos, and it will give you a kickstart to your credit card journey. Just see the monthly weekletter where you get everything. How to achieve VVR milestone or 8 lakh spends on the DCB metal, credit card bill payments, cashback. Apart from that, the other options like the other good videos are like the Cathay Pacific cheat sheet, which I've uploaded 3 months back. How to book Marriott rooms for friends and family. These are very small videos. How to use your Amex card for UPI payments. So these are a very small group of videos which absolutely makes sense for you, and it is going to help you out in starting your journey. Plus you get access to the WhatsApp group, which has more than 400 members, and you can directly ask your questions over there, and you get a 15 minutes of chat window with me if you are interested. So thanks a lot for watching. You can join as a member of this channel or the Hindi channel. It totally depends on you. And of course, there is an offer for discounted membership. You can DM me on Twitter if you are interested. That is till midnight today. That is 1159 PM today. After that, it is going to be the normal charges. You can see it on the screen. So thanks a lot for watching. I hope you guys had fun watching this video. Let's see each other in the next banger of a video. And if you have not seen my this year's latest card video, you should, because I have explained everything and how we achieved our 26 card goal this year. Plus we closed around 5 cards. Thanks a lot for watching. Let's hope you have a wonderful new year. Take care. Bye bye. See you and Jai Hind.